friends, welcome to my channel Kashmir NEET Lovers. Today I am going to discuss trick to find out magnetic nature. Please watch completely video. This video helpful to you a lot. In this video I am going to discuss NEET 2013, JEE Main 2017. These two questions based on magnetic behavior. First, I will give the trick. The trick is the molecule or ion having odd number of electrons, 10 electrons, 16 electrons, S2 sulfur 32 electrons is paramagnetic. The molecule or ion having even number of electrons is diamagnetic. The molecule or ion having odd electrons, 10 electrons, 16 electrons, S2 sulfur 32 electrons is paramagnetic. The molecule or ion having even number of electrons is diamagnetic. Let us start with the question. The question is, which of the following is paramagnetic? CO, NO negative, NO positive, O2 negative. CO, carbon, the atomic number is 6 plus 8 equal to 14. The next is Cn negative, 6 plus 7. There is minus plus 1 equal to 14. NO, the next is NO positive, 7 plus 8, there is plus minus 1 equal to 14. O2 negative, 8 plus 8, there is minus plus 1 equal to 17. Tell me which one is paramagnetic. Let us see. 14 electrons are there, 14 electrons are there, 14 electrons are there. That means even number of electrons are there. In 3, even number of electrons are there. That means they are diamagnetic. In O2, 17 electrons are there. That means this is paramagnetic. The correct option is option D. Let us see the next question. Which of the following is not paramagnetic? Which of the following is not paramagnetic? NO, B2, O2, CO. NO, 7 plus 8 equal to 15. B2, boron, pyrite, 5 plus 5 equal to 10. The next is oxygen, O2, 8 plus 8 equal to 16. The next is carbon monoxide, CO, 6 plus 8 equal to 14. In NO, 15 electrons are there. That means odd number of electrons are there. This is paramagnetic. 10 electrons are there. This is paramagnetic. 16 electrons are there. This is always paramagnetic. CO, 14 electrons are there. This is diamagnetic. Diamagnetic. They are paramagnetic. Thank you.